Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the channel. We're back with another Chainsaw Man endings and we got two of them, bro. I missed the third one, so we're gonna be doing ending 3 and 4, bro. Dude, let's get into this. Oh, and go ahead and check out the opening ending 1 and 2 I did. So I'll link no, I'll link it in the description below, yeah. And also the playlist for the episodes I did. So I did 1 through 4 already. So if you want to go ahead and check out the episode, I'll link the playlist below. At the end of the video, the card will be like the opening and ending. Yeah. So let's get into this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I video, and let's get straight into this, bro. Let's go. Yo, what the heck, bro? Like, part of Denji face. That's the old man. Section, bro. Yo, this is that, bro. Okay. Yo, that's about like devil. Dude, that is so crazy, it's almost like this screw showing by Denji, so like how much of a screw this guy got. Man, what in the world? This is wild. What the? Dude, they just had to put like Makima the savior. It's almost like this guy in hell, Makima is like his savior, you know? His guardian angel, yeah. Oh, that transition is really good. Like all, it shows like all his life change. Pochita! Ah! Dude, I like Power, yeah. For sure. Power is my favorite character in Chainsaw Man so far, bro. That's not why I actually don't like this show. Kinda like shows like how Power is like, bro, just wild. Yeah, like the different cosplay. Oh, it's good, man. Oh god. Dude, this different piece below, man. What the heck? It's actually like first together. Everybody like, ooh, that's Paul just like. Yo. Fat. Dude, this is mad, bro. Man. Dude, this just screams Paul, bro. This ending right there. Dude, I don't know. The first ending was like really dark and stuff, and we have like the light and everything. It was really good, but the fourth ending is really better than the other one because dude, this just screams like how Power is as a character. I like how some of the endings like reflect like the characters and shows like what they've been through in like the ending wise. Show like different like parts in the episode also to like signify like what happened in the last, yeah, in that episode, current episode, you know. Anyways, y'all, I enjoy this a lot. Comment down below like which ending is your favorite, bro. I enjoy ending 4 for sure. I'm not sure about the 3 ending pretty good, but not like funny like ending 4, you know. But anyways, if you guys enjoy this reaction and doing it with me, don't forget to run up them likes. Leave a comment down below of any other anime ending or any other opening scene reactors I want to say for that. Later.